Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can speak and I can understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
You are healthy.
Yes,
Our
ma'am.
interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I choose Malaysia to experience and also the culture, ma'am.
Okay. So why did you choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I choose Malaysia, ma'am.
You choose Malaysia only.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself?
My name is Rojan Arsenal. I'm 26 years old and I live in Cavite, Philippines. I have one daughter. She's 8 years old, and also I have live-in partner, work as a delivery rider.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
February 18, 1999.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11", my weight is 60.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I'm a undergrad college, 1 year.
In what course?
Bachelor of Science in Business Management.
Okay, so is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
What, ma'am, again?
Is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your kid later once you come to work here?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
A housewife, 45 years old.
How many brother and sister do you have?
And no, ma'am, I don't have. I'm
So
one
you
only.
are the only child.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
What comes up into your mind why you wanted to come and work as a domestic helper?
Ma'am,
What comes into your mind why you decided to work as a domestic helper?
to help my family, ma'am, and also to my daughter schooling.
So, do you know working as a domestic helper is a very tough job?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family or you cannot handle your job anymore because you will going to sign a 2 years contract. And if
Yes,
there is any problem in the Philippines or any of your family members, just any uncertain situations, you cannot simply go back home
yes, ma'am.
because you will going to sign a 2 years contract. And once you terminate your contract or once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone also, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours. It means you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can hold it during night time only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes,
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's fine, you come, work properly. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Ma'am.
So, in which part of the Philippines you have a working experience as a housemaid?
In Cavite, ma'am.
How many years you work there?
2 years, ma'am, since January 8, 2022 to February 8, 2024.
Are you a stay-in maid?
Stay in, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Cavite?
I'm cleaning, cooking, take care of children, and washing, also gardening.
You do ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
How old or how many children you take care?
One, ma'am.
How
8
old
years,
is the child?
8 years old.
8 years old. So what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
End of contract, ma'am.
End of contract. After 2024, you have a working experience or you are a full-time mother until presently?
I have a small business here, ma'am, as a
What kind of
vendors.
business?
Vendors, ma'am, selling
Vendor.
French fries,
Okay.
like,
So as I have mentioned a while ago, being a domestic helper is a very tough job. Okay?
yes, yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking.
Yes,
And I
ma'am.
would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Houses here is quite big also. So you need to get ready yourself, prepare yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What
I love
variety or what type of dishes you can prepare?
Filipino food, ma'am, like adobo, sinigang, like that.
But are you willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, okay?
Yes,
Right now, you are a vendor, right? In the Philippines. In Philippines, you can be the boss there. But here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves at the same time because we are a foreigner here, okay? We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any
yes,
problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years.
yes, ma'am.
Being a first timer, most especially being a first timer, homesickness will frequently attack you. Then
Yes, ma'am.
what will you do once your homesickness attacked you?
Uh, I I work, ma'am, hard to know my homesickness.
You work hard.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of you work hard? So how are you gonna handle it? Like if you're home, if you miss your family or your child, what will you do?
Uh, I will I will call them, ma'am.
You will call them. Okay, I think that's all for now, Rochi. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.